Kahit na 2 dekada na tayo magkasama, hindi ko din alam kung bakit. Tuwing nakikita kita, kinikilig pa din ako.
Nag-start yun ng baccalaureate mass practice. Kasi graduating, grade 6. Nakita ko siya sa simbahan. Dun, love at first sight.
My love, we are here.
Una sa lahat, gusto kong magpasalamat sa taas sa pagpapahiram niya sa akin ng isang Rexy. Yun ang siguro yung isa sa pinakamagandang nangyari sa buhay ko.
All that we could be.
Simula ng love story nila Poy at ni Rexy ay noong 2002 at sila ay nagpakasal noong 2011.
We'll write the story, you see it, the movies. We'll have a strong love, the whole world dreams of. We'll never give up, you'll be enough for me. I give you my heart, my love, you see.
Kaya napaaga yung kasal kasi ayaw na namin maghiwalay. Kasi pagka hindi kami kinasal, magiging LDR. Kasi Japan-based ako. Siya dito sa Pilipinas.
With this ring I break every piece of me. Love, I'll never leave.
Rexy, kailanman di kita pagtataksilan.
Isuot mo at pagkaingatan ang singsing na ito
Na siyang sangla ng aking pag-ibig at katapat.
sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak
At ng Espiritu Santo.
We'll write the story, you see it, the movies. We'll have a strong love, the whole world dreams of. We'll never give up, you'll be enough for me. I give you my heart, my love, you see. You're all I'll ever need.
Love niya. Super love niya ako. Pagka kami magkasama, well protected, well loved. Ay, yun yung pinaka nagustuhan ko sa kanya.
Never give up, you'll be enough for me. I give you my heart, my love, you see. You're all I'll ever need. You're all I'll ever need. You're all I'll ever need.
From love at first sight, puppy love, true love, number 1 enemy. Sa'yo umikot yung mundo ko. Sa'yo ko naramdaman yung totoong pagmamahal ng isang tatay, best friend, at katuwang.
Siya yung nagturo sa akin magsimba, magdasal, lahat siya. Pati yung pagiging God-fearing niya, nang hindi alam lahat ng tao yun kung gaano siya maka-Diyos.
I'm so very, very proud of you, Poy. And May you continue to love your wife and your children and the whole family. And may God be always with you.
I was waiting for the moment to arrive. I was waiting for the moment to
Arigato.
arrive.
Itsuchom kawaii.
I wouldn't miss it for the world.
Sa mga nagdaang panahon, marami ako natutunan na kailangan pala natin na mag-grow individually para mahanap natin ang ating sarili outside of our relationship. Pero isang araw, ginising na lang ako ni Lord na alam ko, ikaw at ikaw pa din ang gusto ko.
In the fall, there's a cold wind coming down. And we were
Ayoko man magsalita ng tapos, pero sasabihin ko sa'yo, hanggat nandito ako sa mundong to, I'm all yours. May God be the witness. I love you.
and I wouldn't miss it for the world.
Gusto ko mag-start sa simula na basta alam ko na kung kasama kita sa hirap at ginhawa. And the rest is history. I promise na kung mahina ka, ako yung pinakamalakas. Ako ang magiging kanang kamay mo sa lahat ng panahon. I will be your sunshine in your dark days.
To arrive, I was waiting for you, and I wouldn't miss it for